Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing another Chromebook tutorial, and this time I'm going to show you how to send and receive Android messages on your Chromebook. This is a very easy setup. There's a piece that has to be done on the phone and a piece that has to be done on your Chromebook, but it should work with pretty much any Android device and any Chromebook. So let's start this off by doing the setup on your Chromebook. So here we are on the Chromebook desktop, and we're going to get your phone connected to your Chromebook if you haven't done that already. All you need to do is click down by the clock, click on the gear icon to get into settings, and then go to connected devices. In there, you're going to see a section called Android phone, and it'll tell you to connect your Chromebook to your phone. Go ahead and click on setup. And in the list that shows up, you should see your phone in there. If you don't see it, you first need to log into one of the Google services on your phone with the same account that you're logging into your Chromebook. So if you haven't done that yet, stop the video here and go ahead and do that. And then when you come back in here, you should see that device set up in there. Once you see your Android device show up in that list, go ahead and select it and then click OK to continue. It's going to ask you for your password. Go ahead and type your password in. And then that's it. Your phone will now be connected to your Chromebook, and we can go on to the next part of this. All right, for this next part, we're going to need the Google Messages app on your phone. If you're using something like a Pixel, you already have it, you're good to go. You can skip this part. But if you have something like a Samsung device, you'll need to install it out there. Super easy to do. Just go into the Google Play Store, look for the Google Messages app, make sure it's the one by Google, and install that. Once it's installed, go ahead and launch it. It's going to ask if you want to make it your default SMS and MMS application. Go ahead and do that. Then we're ready to go on to the last part of this setup. So for this last part, we're going to jump back over to the Chromebook, go back into settings, connected devices, and then you should see the device that you set up. Click on the little triangle next to that device to drop down the list to show you all the options. And the last one in that list should say messages. Go ahead and click on the setup. Once you do that, it's going to bring up a window and show you a QR code. Now leave that up on your Chromebook. We're going to flip back over to your phone now and do this very last piece. So back on your Android phone, open up the Google Messages app and then click on the three dot or hamburger menu, whatever it looks like on your device, up in the upper right hand corner. Now, depending on the version of messages that you have, this is either going to say messages for web, or you're going to see an option for device pairing. Whichever one of those you see in your setup, go ahead and click on that. And then it's going to prompt you to scan a QR code. Click on that. And it's going to ask for access to your camera and then bring up the camera. All you need to do now is just scan that QR code that came up on your Chromebook in the previous step. And now your phone is going to be connected to your Chromebook, and you'll be able to send and receive your messages. To test this out, all you need to do is go back on your Chromebook, load up the Messages app, and you should see all your SMS and MMS messages that you've sent and received recently. You can send a new message or a reply just like you would on your phone. Just click on your contact, type in your message, send your pictures, whatever you want to do. Everything is synced up, so when you send something or receive something on your Chromebook, you'll also see that on your phone and anywhere else you have this set up as well. The cool thing about this is you can use this similar method on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and have access to your Android messages on all your different devices. Works really well. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you found this useful or informative, please hit that thumbs up or subscribe if you really liked it and want to see more like this. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down in the comments section below, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for stopping by.